Hey guys, welcome back. Gonna do a little bit of an unboxing today. I've got the C44 KM. First thing I'd like to say is amazing packaging WPL. I've had a couple of kits in the past, and you literally just get, the box in a bag. So it's a high risk of stuff getting damaged or your box getting dented or whatnot. So my KM box came in this nice padded box. It did have more, but it came bubble wrapped. Try and put some pictures of in a minute of how it came. So yeah, great packaging. So here it is, the C44 KM. Look how immaculate this box was. I've gone for the white. But this box is untouched, unscathed, which is a first. I've had boxes with a couple of dents. I haven't had boxes quite as bad as some of the Americans I've seen, where they are literally, they look like they've been booted up their driveway, to be fair. But yeah, it's a very nice change to have everything nicely packaged, and you know you're not going to get bent chassis rails. So I'm going to start taking stuff out of the box, have a look. I've got some scissors, so you can take a closer look inside what's in each of the bags as well. So let's get the softer stuff out of the way. We've got some decals, very nice. Some new ones there that I haven't seen. Nice, very nice. Your instruction manual, of course. If you do happen to lose this, I'll tip some tea or coffee on it. They are available online. What else we got here? We've got the chassis rails. Very nice. Got a very nice finish to them. The lightning is poor a minute. Just trying to make the lighting a bit better, aka turn the light on. So yeah, nice finish with these chassis rails. Will be C44, so I'll be using these further two back now. The C44 I was using these, a shorter wheelbase. So it's a new experience. Oh, very nice. So this is obviously the cab. I went for the white. I'll make a bit more room here. That's better. I'll chop it open for you. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so we've got the bag open. Let's take it out and have a closer look. Wow. Awesome finish. Bit of oil on there, I've worked in plastic moulding. Give that a wipe, that comes straight off. It's from the mould, that oil. But that is one very nice mould. And I dig in the colour. It's not quite white. It's going to look nice, dusty and dirty, that is. Wow. The box. What we got next? Okay, so we got various panels in here. Cut it open. So have a look what we got, closer look. So we've got what looks to be the rear bed rails. They're quite nice. to hook stuff or tie string to that. Very nice. We've got the rear bed that almost like, I don't know what to call it. Rear bed head. Sits behind the front cab and rear window. Doors. We've got a windscreen. Some mud flaps without it for the rear. We've got the hood, the bonnet, and I think that looks like the rear part to the front cab. Finally, got some lenses, headlights, and also part of the door. Pop the one back in there quickly. So next out the box, this looks to be obviously the rear bed. Got some holes there to attach the slats. I'm not going to bother opening that. Not a lot to really look at there. So this bag, we've got various plastic parts. I'll go through them. We've got the interior, cup holders there, gear changer, your gas pedal right in the corner. Nice. We've got the mock engine bay, which is great. Plenty of room for electronics. We've got the dashboard. Very nice. For anyone who wants to touch those up, make them look real. Oh, and the pedals. We've got pedals. Lovely. Brake, clutch and accelerator. Awesome. Front bumper. Nothing special there really. And some interior chairs. One thing I can show you really quick while I got both of these is you clip the chairs in. Easy peasy. Adjustable seats. So you can have the chair all the way back, all the way forward. How awesome is that? Makes fitting a little driver in there a lot easier. So that's that for that bag. So what we got here? The next bag looks to be like a parts tree. Lots and lots of things on there. Windscreen wipers. Gear shifter, radio antenna, license plate holder, part of the front grille. We've got the door cards, steering wheel, wing mirrors, rear bumper. I'm not going to bother opening that yet. Okay, so next looks to be the 2-speed transmission. Oh, and some drive shafts in there as well, as you can see. The 2-speed uses a little servo, as you can see there, to change gear. Very nice. Hey. So this bag looks to be the winch. It came free, which is awesome. My first time with the winch, Futaba connection. So I've got a 3/4 channel transmitter, but the button's just an on and off press, so I'll have to get like little, I've seen them about, little switch, a winch controller switch. Very nice touch. We're running low on stuff. It's a nice bag. Got the front grille, the WPL emblem, and the roof for the cab. Not a lot to see in there really. bag of tyres and wheels. I will say straight away these feel a lot softer than the C34 tyre, which is going to make a massive improvement. So thumbs up again there, WPL. Oh, I think now we're getting to the good stuff. Oh, I don't know why, when I seen this truck online, first question I asked, is that wood real? Is that wooden bed real? And Ed replied yes. And oh look, it just makes me gooey inside slightly. I mean, you're not going to find many kits on the market at the moment that they're giving you hobby grade kit, but also this amazing exterior. You got a beautifully crafted cab and wooden slats to match. That's the one bit I'm looking forward to getting installed. I don't know why. Call me silly. So not a lot left in here now. Let's get some. Oh, very nice. We've got a extension cable for a servo or whatever. Very nice, 3-wire extension cable. This is your windscreen, glass, headlights, lenses. Very nice. We've got a bag of goodies here. So they've upped the game. We've got marine grease. Used to have standard grease. Right, see there. You can also see the Loctite. If you can see that little bottle there. We got blue Loctite as well. The red stuff was renowned for stripping your nuts or whatever, your bolts. But it was renowned for being very tricky to free up. So yeah, we got blue. I'll look a bit closer. The C34 didn't have that. We've got a Metal Gear servo now. Awesome. Set of headlights with a Futaba connection. I'll be plugging them straight into my receiver. We've got some support there for the doors. Awesome. Really not a lot left in here now, guys. Heavy. We've got a full set of wheel weights. One of the most beneficial upgrades you can make to a truck is weighing it down, stop it toppling over and whatnot. Yeah, I think these are worth $20 on their own for a full set like that, so the fact they include these in the kit, it's just outstanding. Awesome. So, like I keep saying, there's not a lot left. We've had the wheel weights, we've had the cab, the wheels, the servo, the gearbox. So what's left is we have in the front and back metal reel axle. You can see we've got metal ball bearings, obviously got the axles themselves with the brass ring and pinion gears. Nice bit of weight to that as well, all metal. And last but not least, I don't think there's anything special, but I think we've got a hardwood bag. We've got the ball ends, some screws. We've got rod ends. We've got the shock retainers of sorts, springs, and also the shock rods. So just a little bag of hardware there. And then we've got a nice empty box. Yeah, thank you WPL. I can't wait to get stuck into this and put it all together. I'll probably be combining it with an old 20 amp ESC I've got, and I'll be using a 4-channel All-Star AX6 transmitter receiver. So yeah, happy building, guys.